Hey guys, if you can see, it is finally sunny out, which means it is grilling season. But instead of barbecuing something on the barbecuer, I am going to show you one of my favorite sides to go along with some barbecued meat. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite potato salads, which is a bacon blue cheese potato salad. And as you can see, I'm outside showing you how green everything is. This is my mini orchard of 8 trees, different fruit trees. So I'm just going to show you, they are all getting a little fruit on them. This is my apple tree. This is one of my favorite trees. This is my cherry tree, and it has a ton of green cherries all over it. This is like the first year that it has so many cherries on it. But I'm kind of changing the subject, guys. So let's go inside and make my favorite potato salad. So let's go spice things up. The first thing you want to get is a bag of red potatoes, and you want to use half of a bag, which is 2.5 pounds, and you want to start peeling them. And then you want to take your potatoes and just cut them. And for the small ones, I just cut in half and then put them in a pan with water in it. For a little bit of the bigger ones, I just cut in fourths and quarters. So they're just small as well, and then put them in the pan too. Once your water starts boiling, you want to cook it for about 15 minutes. Not to the point where they would be mashed potatoes, but a little under that. And in the meantime, we can start on the sauce. Okay, for the sauce, we are using 1/2 cup of sour cream. Just put it in your bowl. And 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then whisk it together so it's nice and creamy. Alright, that's pretty good. And while the potatoes are cooking, I am also cooking up 5 strips of bacon that I already chopped up.
Hey guys, subscribe to the most lit family on YouTube.
And if you haven't already, turn on the notifications.
The potatoes are done, so now I'm going to strain them. Okay, so now we can take your potatoes and just put it right in the sauce, along with 3 stalks of green onions that I already chopped, your bacon that you cooked up, about 3/4 cup of blue cheese, and then you want to crush some pepper and some salt and stir it up so that the sauce covers all the ingredients and it is mixed well. And at this point, I like to add a little bit more pepper and salt, and then stir it again. And then I like to take some plastic wrap and cover it, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge for about at least 30 minutes. If you like your potato salad hot, you can just eat it and serve it up like it is, but I like mine cold. So I'm gonna put mine in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, if not an hour, and then come back and it will be done. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed making one of my favorite potato salads. Let's give it a try. Get a little bit of bacon, a little bit of potato. See? Full of flavor. Question of the day: what is your favorite type of side to go with grilling season? Need to wash it down with some nice non-spiked lemonade. Okay, it may or may not be spiked. Well, thank you guys so much, and please come back and watch more videos, and if you have not yet, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video. What are you doing, Princess? What are you doing?